How to put Squid Game ringtone in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can put Squid Game ringtone on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your settings. After you open up your settings, head over to, let me go back first. Okay, head over to sounds and haptics. Scroll down, search for sound and haptics and open it up. There, head over to ringtone, and on your ringtone you will see an option that says tune store. So head over to tune store and it will redirect you to another app. So let the app load. It might take some time depending on your internet speed, and from here you can simply search for your Squid Game. So let's search for Squid Game here. Head over to the search bar and search for Squid Game. After you search for Squid Game, you should find the Squid Games different versions here. You can find Squid Games different tunes. You can download any one of these. So as you can see, you will need to pay for them. So pay for it and then simply download the tune and then you can apply it. You can then head back to your settings and you'll get the Squid Game option right around here, which you can select and then keep it as your ringtone. And that's how you do it, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.